in their opium dens. Damn foreigners gonna do us in. Bring me you're tired, you're poor, you're hungry. Bring me your scapegoat. Well, the rich and the privileged soon circle their wagons. Capitalism at its very finest. Profit from misery, it's American way. They make millions while the rest of us pay. 10,000% profit on illegal drugs. That's $100 for every dollar invested. Who says crime doesn't pay? Well, law enforcement got in on the ride. Plenty good money made on either side. We got prisons to build, more jobs to fill. Everyone and their uncle with the drug war chill. Got wardens, guards, cops, bondsmen, policemen, PO officers, judges, lawyers, the CIA, the FBI, DEA. See where this is going? Well, still there was some who picked up the ball. Those drug treatment programs answered the call. With money from the counties, worked just fine. Drug addicts were treated for the very first time. Block grants saved money, kept people out of jail. It was a good idea for about 20 years. Well, what happened next should have been a crime. Those healthcare bullies just pushed in line. Well, they had their chance back in the 70s, but then drug addiction wasn't their specialty. Didn't see any profit in it. Helping addicts was a waste of time. Years later, they saw the light. After 20 years of being left out in the cold, those healthcare thugs just took control. With a blizzard of bullshit, smoking lies, they cut a big piece of that drug war pie. They called it a disease. Made it a healthcare issue. Disease my ass, they don't put people in jail for cancer. Well, block grants are now a thing of the past.